Up down is the topic of this little tutorial. We're going to take a look at how to raise our cabinets off the floor or move them up and down on a wall. So we'll take this little vanity drawer base 21 here. I'm going to right click on it and I am going to choose up down. And now you'll notice in my info panel over here I've got a top of 66 inches and a bottom of 0. And what that is doing is that's measuring from the top of the cabinet to the bottom of the ceiling at 66 inches. So you've got 66 inches between your cabinet and ceiling. Bottom, you've got 0 inches because the cabinet's sitting on the floor. Now if I want to raise that 3 inches, there's two ways I could do it. I could change this to 63. That would raise it up off the floor 6 inches. Or I could just simply come to the bottom and type in 3, and that would raise it up off the floor 3 inches. If I hit enter, we can take a perspective now, or elevation rather, and have a look. So here I am raised at 3 inches. Now up down also works in elevation mode. So in elevation I can click on the cabinet, I can choose up down, and here I can either just move my mouse up and down and it'll move it for me, which makes it really handy if you've got your wall cabinets in and you just need to move a cabinet up or down to a cabinet, or if you have something solid to back it up to. That makes it really easy to just grab it and move it up and down. But in this case where there's nothing above it, nothing below it but the floor, you still got our info panel over here, and it works the same way. We can do, let's do 60, that'll give us 6 inches up off the floor, and enter. And there I've got a little 6-inch space down here, which if we zoomed in on that we could confirm that it was 6 inches. Now if we want to do just a down and dirty move, you can click on it. See our little arrow there? We can click on that arrow and drag it up and down in here, and we also have our info panel, and that really cool little arrow, that little handle right there, come here handle, that little handle right there, it eliminates a whole step. You don't have to right click and move anything, you can just click right on it to go. So that has been up down tutorial.